Hey guys, so today I am installing this 24-inch, yes girl, another 24-inch wig install, but today's wig is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. So this is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, but before I actually do anything, like as far as installing this wig, get into this pre-plucked hairline. Get into this HD lace, honey. As you can see, I'm loving it. It's blending. It's giving scalp. It's giving. It's growing from my head. This is my hair. So I'm going to part my hair right down the middle because what's a 24-inch without a bust down middle part? And that's what we're doing today. Bust down. Middle part. Yeah. The hairline on this wig is so nice, y'all. So you definitely do not have to use any type of glue, gel, or spray with this wig. This can definitely 100% be a glueless install. But I like to go in with the hairspray to secure my wigs. And girl, I just had to do a lace check real quick because I almost forgot I ain't cut the lace because the lace was just really blending into the skin. So I had to really do a double take and make sure, like, girl, I ain't cut the lace. So girl, this definitely is a transparent HD invisible lace, whatever you want to call it. It looks like I ain't got no damn lace on this wig at all. So anyways, I like to go in with holding spray. I say this pretty much in all of my videos. I like to pull out my baby hairs, take me an edge brush and push my baby hairs back, push that holding spray into the baby hairs. It prevents the hairline from being crunchy and hard. I just like it this way. It works for me. I definitely think you should try it when it comes to installing your wigs but only using hairspray. And like doing this method, y'all, too, like it's so easy to take off at night or whenever you want to take off the wig. And it's not damaging to your hairline. So that's why I prefer the glueless install. And basically, I'm just going in and cutting the lace, around the hairline or whatnot. But I did apply too much spray in certain areas where I wasn't able to get into the lace and cut out a whole lot of lace. So the lace is pretty much blended and secured, and basically like right here what I'm trying to do is figure out if I want to do baby hairs, girl, or if I want to just push, all the hair back and do a simple middle part. I really don't know what I want to do, but I do need to go in and cut the lace a little bit more, which I'll do later in the video. But yeah, girl, so I'm gonna just clean up this part a little bit more. One thing that I do want to say about this wig, girl, is I'm loving the clean part on this wig. I did not have to go in and do any plucking to the part, to the hairline, nothing, girl. This 24-inch came ready to install. So one thing that I was trying to do, which I failed, was I was trying to pull my baby hairs out like on my temple, like doing like a curved baby hair look. But girl, I could not do it. Like, I don't know how the girls do it when they have like the baby hairs coming out in an angle. Like, I can't explain it, but it looks like their side of their baby hairs have like a curve or something to it. Anyways, girl, it took me forever to the point where I was just like, you know what, forget this. I'm gonna just go for what I know and do some regular baby hairs. So, I don't know what my baby hairs was doing, but child, I was not about to apply no more gel to my baby hairs because I did not want them to start to look crunchy and hard like a helmet. So, girl, this is what the hairline is giving. It's still cute. So, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. No curls today, girl. So, just straighten my hair and I'll be back.